Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn English phrases. They will help you sound more natural and fluent in everyday conversations. Let's start learning. Instead of saying, I'm very hungry, say, I'm starving. I'm starving. I haven't eaten since breakfast and I'm absolutely starving. Instead of saying, I'm very tired, say, I'm wiped out. That workout completely wiped me out. Instead of saying, I'm very happy, say, I'm over the moon. I was over the moon when I got the good news. Instead of saying, I'm very sad, say, I'm gutted. I was absolutely gutted when my team lost the final. Instead of saying, I'm very relaxed, say, I'm at ease. I feel completely at ease here. Instead of saying, I'm very confused, say, I'm lost. I'm lost. Can you help me find this place? Instead of saying, I'm nervous, say, I have butterflies in my stomach. I have butterflies in my stomach before every presentation. Instead of saying, I'm very busy, say, I'm swamped. I can't take a break right now. I'm swamped with work. Instead of saying, I'm not sure, say, I'm iffy about it. I'm a little iffy about going out tonight. Instead of saying, I don't know, say, I have no idea. I have no idea where my keys are. Instead of saying, I'll try, say, I'll give it a shot. I've never made this before, but I'll give it a shot. Instead of saying, I forgot, say, it slipped my mind. Sorry, your birthday slipped my mind. Instead of saying, I agree, say, I'm with you. You think we should leave early? I'm with you. Instead of saying, I disagree, say, I beg to differ. You think it's the best restaurant? I beg to differ. Instead of saying, it's very easy, say, it's a piece of cake. Don't worry about this test. It's going to be a piece of cake. Instead of saying, it's very hard, say, it's tough. This math problem is really tough. Instead of saying, it's very cold, say, it's freezing. It's freezing outside. Instead of saying, it's very hot, say, it's boiling. It's boiling in here. Instead of saying, it's very crowded, say, it's packed. Let's go somewhere else. It's packed in there. Instead of saying, it's boring, say, it's dull. The movie was so dull, I almost fell asleep. Instead of saying, I like it, say, I'm into it. I've been trying pottery lately, and I'm really into it. Instead of saying, in my opinion, say, the way I see it. The way I see it, we should leave early. Instead of saying, wait a moment, say, hang on. Hang on, I forgot my keys. Instead of saying, let's finish for today, say, let's call it a day. We've done enough for today. Let's call it a day. Instead of saying, it's impossible, say,
No way.
You want me to move all of these today? No way! Instead of saying, that's a secret, say, keep it between us. I'm quitting my job, but keep it between us. Instead of saying, that's a lie, say, you're making that up. No way that happened. You're making that up. Instead of saying, I have no money, say, I'm broke. I can't afford dinner tonight. I'm broke until payday. Instead of saying, Eva, that's very obvious, say, it's crystal clear. The instructions are crystal clear. Instead of saying, I'm leaving, say, I'm heading out. I'm heading out. See you later.